open. Brilliant.
Plenty new stuff. So
Okay.
take a look at all. So the big difference between when we first opened to now is everything's pre-bagged now.
Oh, okay.
But
Okay.
there's some new products like within here, for example.
Okay.
You'll see a lot of new products. So,
Oh, okay. In this case. Okay.
well, I mean, they're all spread out, but
Right.
here in that wall, there's a lot of new stuff or things that you've seen that we brought back finally again.
Okay. Okay, cool. Thank
Yep,
you. I'll take a
you're
look around.
welcome.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
take your time. There's a
Okay.
lot.
Okay, cool.
Strawberry lips burning on my skin, craving for you. I tell myself that the bubblegum wrapper is the sin. A tongue so sweet it can knock me out. What can I do? It tastes so good, every word you say is melting in my mouth. But I'm not gonna stay, that's my flavor, 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 flavor. I'll put you away, save for later, later. You're my Candyland. Eyes on the prize like an animal. I want you to. A body like yours on a sugar rush, need no beauty call. I never thought that one can be something so good. A treat complete with a beautiful smile is all I need. But I'm not gonna stay, that's my flavor, 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 flavor. I'll put you away, save for later, later. You're my Candyland.
It's Pop Rocks actually in a candy bar. And then the other popular one is this one came back finally again, birthday cake. And actually that's the two main ones right
Yeah,
now.
let me get that. I'll get that and I'll get this too.
I'll put you away, save for later, later. You're my Candyland. You're my Candyland.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. They were super nice there. Dylan's Candies here on Kalakaua Avenue. This is underneath the Hyatt Regency Spa and Resort and Spa. I don't know. Yeah, no, it's totally chocolate. But okay, so this is what they said was the two main ones or popular ones. The popping candy one. Here, hold these for me. Popping candy, and then this is was it the cake? Yeah?
Yeah, cake.
Cake. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Birthday cake. The birthday cake one. So these two are the most popular ones that they've had. And then I also got, which Austin's really excited about this one, bacon flavored. Yeah, it's bacon flavored.
And some plain one, it's
And that one's
milk.
just milk chocolate. Yeah,
Yeah,
just the
just
regular. So we wanted to try to see the differences. So we'll save the milk chocolate for last. Ooh. So when you open it up, look, it says Dylan's Candy on there.
well, I never saw that. Really? Oh, okay. So
All right, so this is Pop Rocks.
Pop Rocks.
We're gonna try it out.
Yeah.
Huh?
Mmm.
Whoa. It's crunchy. The Pop Rocks are in there and they're popping in our mouths. Is it popping in your mouth?
Yeah.
Wow. I can see why this is popular. But it still tastes chocolatey, right? It's not like fruity. Like Pop Rocks are fruity. That's pretty cool. This is the birthday cake. It looks white. White.
Looks like it also has a little bit of some like sprinkles on it.
And Popping Rocks is still popping in our mouth. But let's try this one.
Mmm. Oh, that's sweet.
This is really sweet. Wow. I think my tooth's hurting. But it tastes like white cake with frosting.
Yeah, it tastes a lot like frosting.
It's good. Sweet though.
Yeah, really sweet. Like a lot of sugar. I already see.
Bacon.
Yeah, I see like small pink stuff on there. I think that's the bacon.
This is all Belgian milk chocolate, by the way. This one that has bacon flavored. It says that there's imitation bacon bits in it. This is what it looks like. Austin says you can see it inside. Can you see it?
Oh, there's like
sorry.
one.
Right here.
Like there's one big piece in mine.
Can you see the bacon bits in there?
Right here.
Mm.
Like it's a pretty pink. Like you see right there.
Oh yeah, I see it. Okay, you ready? Try
Yeah.
it? All right. Oh, that's weird.
Oh, I do not like that one.
You didn't like that one?
No,
Okay.
I did not like it.
I really think this is an acquired taste one. You know, if you like salty and sweet, there's crunchy bacon bits inside there, and it was too much for Austin. Okay, so this one we're trying is the regular Belgian milk chocolate, and again, they're all Belgian chocolate. Here's what it looks like regular chocolate. Okay, are you ready for the milk chocolate
Yeah.
one? Okay, this is the regular milk chocolate.
And regular milk chocolate. Yeah, it's just like normal chocolate.
Hmm.
I really guess the disgusting bacon chocolate tastes out of my mouth.
So which was your favorite out of the four?
I'd say either cake.
Like the cake
It's
was your favorite?
really sweet though. It's
Really sweet?
really sweet.
So Austin's favorite was the cake. My favorite, I did not expect this. I like the Pop Rock one. Yeah, I like the Pop. This still tastes like milk chocolate, but it has that Pop Rock thing. That was kind of cool, and it's not as sweet as the cake one. Although the cake one is good too. Which is your least favorite?
I was thinking this was gonna be my favorite, but
The
no.
bacon. Austin loves bacon, but bacon and chocolate, nah.
That does not go well together.
But you gotta try it because it's a weird flavor, right? So, anyways, we wanted to show you what those flavors were like, how it tasted to us, and those were I forget how much, 3 something a bar, or if you buy 4, it was 4 for $12. Yeah. Dylan's Candy on Kalakaua Avenue. I will post the information down below. Thanks for watching. Aloha. Okay. A nice bag too. Dylan's Candy Bar. Alright.